y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did this simple everyday makeup look. I think it's really perfect for the back to school time right now. I live in Georgia, so a lot of people already went back to school. So I think this is perfect for when, you just want to look put together. You don't want to have too much on your face, but you still want to look cute or whatever. So if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So first I'll be applying the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Primer onto my face. And then I'll be going in with the brow kit from Ruby Kisses, putting the lighter color front parts of my eyebrows and the darker color on the outsides, and then outlining my natural brow shape with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony. And then I'm just flicking upwards to add some sort of fill. Then I'll be using the LA Color Conceal It Cover and Correct Concealer in orange. Then I'll be putting some of the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation in coconut around the perimeter of my face. I will be putting the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Total Cover in 311.
Situations I get anxious. Pray that they don't stop. Maybe I'll smile a bit.
For eyeshadow, I'm just going in with this warm brown called Unique from the Profusion Pro Face palette. I like this color because it's just a perfect amount of pop and warmth you want in your face without being too bold for the look that we're going for. For inner corner highlight, I will be applying Candyman by ColourPop. To add some extra warmth, I'll be going in with Saturn from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. Then I'm going into Bold from the Profusion Pro Face palette. And then darkening that up in the crease with Parallel from the Prism palette. As you can see here, I'm just setting my face with the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Perfecting Loose Powder and then dusting it off. Now I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. I'll be going in with a combination of my two favorite mascaras, the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot, and then on top of that, Blue Face Better Than Sex mascara. I'll be using the Fancy Blush included in the Profusion Pro Face palette, and doing a nice light brush of contour with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. For highlight, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Precious Petals. And then a nice pop of lip gloss, and then of course setting my entire face with this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and you subscribe. Make sure to turn on the notification bell down below, and I will see you next week. Peace out.
He used to meet me on the east side in the city where the sun goes down, and every day where